Get noticed in this 2006 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.